Hello guys, welcome to our new video and today celebrating Dr. Dre. Dr. Dre is an American rapper, songwriter, record producer, audio engineer, record executive, and entrepreneur who is the founder and CEO of Aftermath Entertainment and Beats Electronics and was previously co-owner of Death-Row Records. Throughout his career, he has worked with an array of distinguished artists which include 50 Cent, Eminem, World Class Wreckin Cru, The Game, Snoop Dogg. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell button for more update. Biography. Real name Romell Young. Nickname Dre, Dr. Dre, Brickheart, The Mechanic. Profession: record producer, rapper, songwriter, actor. Years active: 1985 to present. Ethnicity: black. Zodiac sign: Aquarius. Date of birth: February 18, 1965. Age: 59 years as of 2024. Place of birth: Compton, California, US. Residence: Los Angeles, California, US. Nationality: American. Religion: Evangelical. Education: School: Vanguard Junior High School, Rossville Junior High School, Centennial High School, Fremont High School. Education qualification: college dropout. Career: Dr. Dre initially started off his career in 1984 with World Class Wreckin Cru. Later, he also joined a gangster group called N.W.A with Ice Cube, Eazy-E, DJ Yalla, and MC Ren. They can be held responsible for popularizing violence rapping in the street. He made 4 albums with the group Niggas for Life, 10 Miles and Running, Street Hotel Compton, and N.W.A. and The Pose. Later, he left his label Death-Row Records. In 1996, he founded his own label called Aftermath Entertainment. In 1996, he released his first compilation album, Dr. Dre Presents The Aftermath, and his solo album 2001 into 1999. During the early 20s, he focused most of his attention on producing records for other artists while occasionally offering his vocals in their songs. Dr. Dre has released 3 solo albums 2001, The Chronic, The Compton. He also appeared in Hollywood movies like Set It Off, The Wash, White Boys, Unity, Up in Smoke Tour, and Training Day. Dr. Dre has been accused of ghostwriting. People speculate that most of his songs are written by others. In 2005, Dr. Dre also played a voice role in a video game called 50 Cent's Bulletproof. In 2008, he released his own brand of headphones called Beats by Dr. Dre. The line consisted of the Beats Studios. In 2014, the company was acquired by Apple Inc. for $3 billion, which is considered to be the most expensive bid ever made by the tech giant. This still helped Dr. Dre is becoming the richest man in the hip-hop industry. Family. Father: Theodore Young. Mother: Verna Young. Wife or spouse: Nicole Young, married 1996 to 2021. Children: Marcel Young, Latanya Daniel Young, Curtis Young. Physical statistics and more. Height: 6 feet 1 inches or 185 centimeters. Weight: 108 kg or 238 lbs. Hair color: black. Eye color: dark brown. Distinctive features, unique music style. Net worth. His net worth is around 27 million US dollar. Interesting facts. In 1984, after he received a music mixer for his birthday, he turned his house into a music studio. In 1992, Dre faced one more assault charge because he attacked the producer Damon Thomas. In 1995, he remained in jail for a couple of months because of smoking law breaking charges against him. Dre won an MTV Music Award in 1995 for the song Keep Their Heads Ringing. He has done voice roles in video games like 50 Cent's Bulletproof and Grand Theft Auto Online. In 2014, Dr. Dre bought a new home in Brentwood, Los Angeles for $40 million US from Tom Brady and Giselle Bündchen. In 2001, he earned a total of $52 million US and hence became the second highest earning artist of the year as per Rolling Stone magazine. In December 2020, Latanya Danielle Young, eldest daughter of Dr. Dre, expressed her feelings that she had not met her father in the last 17 years. Favorite things. Favorite actor, Robert Downey Jr. Favorite actress, Jennifer Aniston. Favorite rappers, J-Jet. Favorite sports, cricket. House. Dr. Dre lives in a luxurious house which is located in Compton, California, US. Social media profile. Facebook, 17 million followers. Twitter, 2.9 million followers. Instagram, 7.6 million followers.